Écoute ton cœur. La terre s'éveille. Elle vient pour toi. Éveille-toi. Et quand le son de la flûte ouvrit les portes du temps, le silence devint lumière. La terre devint Dieu. La paix d'or. Je suis le chant, prends ma main, je te promets. Nous sommes un. Nous sommes ton corps, nous sommes ton éclat. L'amour immuable, l'esprit infini. Je suis la vie, je suis ton sang.
Two pilots, one sky, no mercy. The best of the best. this game. Goose is laughing in the seat behind. Two young wolves with fire in their minds. Charlie sees something the rest can't see. A man who's afraid of who he wants to be. You can push it to the limit. You can blur that line tonight. But the ghost inside the cockpit never fade with morning light. Into the danger zone, where the brave and broken meet. Into the danger zone, where the sky becomes your grief. Maverick flies alone, with the ghost of every dream. Into the danger zone, where nothing's what it seems. He pulled the chute, Goose never made it back. The spin was fast, the silence louder than the crash. A leather jacket folded, left behind. A photograph that's burning through his mind. Iceman moves with cold precision and grace, but Maverick's got fire burning through his face. Two different kinds of war going on. One in the sky, one where the heart goes wrong. You can be my wingman anytime, but who flies with the man who flies alone? Into the danger zone, where the brave and broken grieve. Into the danger zone, where the best must learn to breathe. Maverick climbs alone, on the other side of fear. Into the danger zone, where all becomes clear. He didn't just fly faster than the rest. He flew through the part of himself he'd buried. And the sky, it held him anyway.